go. We're at 5000 Stonewood Drive in Wexford, Pennsylvania. We have a Schindler MT here to ride. Look at that fountain. It's not operational. It's open today. We have a Schindler MT elevator to ride. It's a Schindler MT. This is where I used to get, this is where I used to go to therapy. There's the alarm bell. Sorry I'm using my phone because I don't have my camera with me. Here it is. Remember this one. Let's go 3. Door closed button does not work. To say Schindler. Here we go. I am going to check the airlock. Snooze stop. ECI. Installed in 2000 probably. Yep. Installed in 2000. We're gonna come back up here. Here we go. Oh, the light's glitching. Changes before it even moves. Schindler. This was installed in 2000. There's your certificate. We're gonna head back up. I'll tell you what, we're gonna head back up.
You gonna give it one more try?
Yeah. I'm gonna head back up and we'll get a view. Door closed button does not work on Schindlers before the 3300 era. This is a prime example of ones that whose door closed button don't work. We'll watch the button go out now. I do like that motor. There's carpeting. Innovation key switch. That key switch is innovation. Let's get a look out here. Pretty comfortable looking seats. Here's a view. 60001 7000. There's the MPE number 1. And MPE number 2. Nice painting. LK water fountain. Sitting up here waiting for me. Let's go back down to 1. These buttons are kind of finicky. Door closed button does not work. We're gonna get a cab view. Changes before it even moves. Pretty nice elevator. I mean, run-of-the-mill Schindler. MT fixtures, panel mounted, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Installed in 2000. There's your operating certificate. There's your control panel and the firefighter's operation. Full fire service. In case of fire, do not use elevators. Now we're gonna set up to 2, so you can listen to the motor from the room, the machine room. Lockbox lock. This is pretty epic, actually.